How to enable Facebook video autoplay. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to enable Facebook video autoplay. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Facebook app on a device. Make sure to log into your account. Tap three line icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Now tap Settings. On Settings and Privacy section, scroll down. Under Preferences, select Media. Tap on it. Now scroll down and you will see the option of Autoplay. Simply, you have to select on mobile data and Wi-Fi, or you can either select on Wi-Fi only in order to enable Facebook video autoplay. Make sure the video quality you set it to optimize and the video and photo settings to sounds in the app. So after you do that, your changes will be saved and the video autoplay on Facebook will be enabled. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.